Happy New Year! I thought we'd have a little bit of fun for New Year's Eve and New Year's Day by naming off the 10 favorite drinks for New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. So why not start here? Here's a great way for you to start the new year. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can receive future fun videos. Now that we're ready, Happy New Year. Here are the 10 favorite drinks that are perfect for celebrating New Year's Eve. 10 favorite drinks for the new year. Champagne. Certainly a classic choice for toasting in the new year. Champagne is always a crowd pleaser. Number 2, Prosecco. Similar to champagne, but with a lighter and fruitier flavor. Prosecco is another popular choice for New Year's Eve. Coming in at number 3, sparkling wine. If you are looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are many great sparkling wines available that are perfect for celebrating the new year. Number 4, cocktails. Of course, there are countless cocktail recipes out there that are perfect for ringing in the new year. Some popular options include martinis, Manhattans, and mojitos. Number 5, mocktails. If you don't drink alcohol or are looking for a non-alcoholic option, there are plenty of delicious mocktails that are perfect for celebrating the new year. Number 6, hot cocktails. If you are celebrating a colder climate, hot cocktails can be a warm and cozy way to ring in the new year. Mulled wine, hot buttered rum, and Irish coffee are all great options. Of course, coming in number 7, there's always ever-friendly beer. Whether you prefer lagers, ales, or stouts, there's a beer out there for every taste. Number 8, cider. For a sweeter and fruitier option, cider is a great choice for celebrating the new year. Some people even put cloves and ginger or cinnamon inside of their cider to make it that much sweeter. Number 9, spirits. If you prefer a more straightforward approach, there are many great spirits that are perfect for celebrating the new year. Whiskey, vodka, gin are all popular choices. Number 10, non-alcoholic beverages. If you're not a fan of alcohol or looking for a non-alcoholic drink option, there are many great non-alcoholic beverages that are perfect for celebrating the new year. These can include soda, fruit juice, or even plain water with a twist of lemon or lime. But no matter what your preference is, there's always a drink out there for you that's perfect for celebrating the new year. Cheers to happy and healthy 2023. Stay safe, stay hydrated, and I look forward to speaking with you next year. Thanks for reading. Hey, a little bonus here. If you found your budget to be a little bit short this year, and you're looking to make a bit of new money in the new year, maybe a couple hundred a month, have you ever considered making money online in your spare time? Consider building a blog or YouTube channel to make it happen. Today, one of the most powerful mechanisms to get people's notice is, believe it or not, TikTok. It's not just for singing and dancing anymore. So if you'll go to my blog site or in the description field below, you can partner with me today to see how you can create this profitable side hack. In case you wanted to know how I get paid, well, I support myself and this channel with the links below. You can certainly find them down below in the description field, or you can find them on my blog site, myfinancialfair.com. We have Canva, a great software for creating anything digital art, including YouTube thumbnails and Instagram squares. You can take the 15-day challenge and certainly learn if affiliate marketing is for you. A great part of building any affiliate marketing business is certainly Clickfunnels. It's a great way to gather names and phone numbers or perhaps even emails so you can market to others. A great new book by Jeff Lerner, Unlock Your Potential, can tell you all about the affiliate marketing business and how Jeff has built a $100 million business. And number 4, Getreponse. So it's one of many autoresponders there. I've certainly used others, Getreponse, Aweber, ConvertKit. They're all great for different reasons. And you can also follow me on social media. See me on my Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram here, or follow me on Twitter. And don't forget, you can also follow me on TikTok. So you can read some of my other blogs. I have about a few hundred out there. 9 Ways to Invest in Yourself, The TikTok Man's 4 Principles, and Legendary Marketing Review. So at any rate, whatever you're thinking about, well, let's not forget to have a Happy New Year.